Good evening to everyone. Welcome to Tech Easy. Today I just want to show you this very attractive Viguer. Hello, good evening to everyone. Welcome to Tech Easy. Today in this video I just want to show you this Viguer wristwatch for men and see this absolute pretty good look design, and this is of free size, okay, and with the magnetic tape. So first of all, I checked for this in the online. I got this company watches from the same brand but not the exact match here, and I found out an exact match, means very similar match for this in the Amazon, but different brand. Carthlon it is showing, and see here it is like 4,193 rupees, and the strap also metal strap, similar to this. Maybe this is also magnetic and it is for women, this is for men actually. I'll try to just put on to my hand now. I'll be showing you this one, okay. So I'll be trying to putting on my hand, and just you need to take this magnetic strap, okay, from this, okay. I don't need to take this out completely. I can just put on my hand here like this and adjust. Yeah, see here you can just adjust this belt and just leave it like this. As this is the magnetic, it looks awesome, okay. See here the look, and I feel pretty much premium look. And see this, the finish here at the point of joint here, the magnetic joint, the finishing is pretty much good, and this is also looking pretty premium. As the material, the stainless steel material, even the strap is looking very premium, and this is universal size or free size you can say. Even though irrespective of the wrist size, this suits for anyone. And one common question you may get is, will it fall down or will it get removed, this magnetic connection? No, it is very tight actually. It got stuck very tight and easy to remove and easy to put on. Yeah, see, and please do comment what are your opinions on this. And if you anyone who are watching this who have used this brand watches, wrist watches previously, please do comment and share your experience. And I really personally like this watch very much, and this is for gifting purpose for one of my friend. And please do comment how is this watch looking, and the brand also is looking pretty premium. Even the dial, this is a square dial. I thought of buying a round dial but I couldn't get that, so yeah, please do comment. One thing I noticed as I use this watch, the hair, it is not catching, especially this strap, this metal strap. When I move like this or when I remove this, when I keep this whole day, it is not catching the hair, okay. Sometimes with the other metal watches the main problem is the hair getting stuck inside, but this watch the advantage is there is no this hairs on the hand is not catching. That is one of the good advantage of this watch.